morning children. This is your moral science class and today we will study chapter 13 of your book. The name of the chapter is Mother Teresa. First of all, who was Mother Teresa? Mother Teresa is a personality also known as Angel of Mercy. She was from foreign country and she did a lot for poor people who need care. Nobody was there to take care of them. She take care for those people and she did a lot for these poor people. She started her work from Calcutta slums area, and for her work she was known all over the world. She was awarded with many prizes like Nobel Prize also, and in this chapter we will study about her life and all her achievements, how from where she was and how she did all her work. Okay, now come to page number 64. Angel Bojahovic, better known as Mother Teresa, was born on 26 August 1910 at Skopje in Yugoslavia. So the real name of Mother Teresa was Angel Bojahovic and she took birth in 26 August 1910 at place named Skopje in Yugoslavia, which is a foreign country. Her parents Nicola and Drana File belonged to an Albanian minority community, and her parents named Nicola and Drana File belonged to Albanian minority community. When she became young, she wanted to become a missionary to India, and when this girl grown up, she wants to become a missionary to India. And missionaries are those people who is sent to foreign country to teach about Christian religion. So she wanted to be a missionary to India. During those days, the Irish Order, the Sisters of Loreto, had their mission to India, and at that time Irish organization is having Sisters of Loreto and they are sent to India for preaching only. So she also want to join them. So she joined the order on 26 September 1928. So Mother Teresa, this girl Angel Bojahovic, also joined that organization of Loreto of Sisters to come to India. In the same year, she boarded a ship for a long voyage to India. In January 1929, she reached Calcutta. On May 23rd, 1929, she became a novice and changed her name to Teresa. So she joined that Sisters of Loreto and through them she reached India in 1929 January. And here she was novice are those people who are new and they don't have any experience about any place, any situation, any job. So she changed her name to Teresa. Mother Teresa was appointed as a teacher of a St. Mary's High School at Antali, Calcutta. Firstly, she took the job of teacher. She was appointed as teacher in one of the school in Calcutta named St. Mary's High School at Antali. Later, she became the principal of the school, and afterward, she became the principal of the school. Her daily life gave her an opportunity to see the real poverty, miseries of the people who lived in the slums. There she saw the poorest of the poor. And while living in Kolkata, in her daily life, she saw the real poverty of Calcutta in slum area, miseries of the people and who lives in slum area, and she saw the poorest of poor. And she saw the poorest of the poor. So, what does it mean? मदर टेरेसा का पुराना नाम और रियल नाम क्या था? एंजेल बोजाहोविच था और वो 26 अगस्त 1910 में स्कोपेज नामक जगह में यूगोस्लाविया, जो कि फॉरेन कंट्री में है, दूसरे देश में, वहाँ जन्म ली थी. और उनके पेरेंट का नाम क्या था? निकोला एंड ड्राना फाइल था, जो अल्बानियन माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी के थे, यानी कि वो क्रिश्चियन तो थे लेकिन अलग थे, उनका नंबर उनके इलाका वो कम, उनका माइनॉरिटी था, यानी कि कम थे वो लोग नंबर में। जैसे ये बड़ी हुई, एंजिल्स बड़ी हुई तो वो मिशनरी बनना चाहती थी। अब मिशनरी वो लोग होते हैं जो अपने धर्म का प्रचार करना चाहते हैं, अपने धर्म के बारे में पढ़ाना चाहते हैं, वो बनना चाहती थी और वो इंडिया आना चाहती थी। उसी समय क्या हुआ, 1928 में एरिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन था, नेरोटो ऑफ सिस्टर्स ऑफ नेरोटो जो था वो इंडिया आ रहा था, उनको वो ज्वाइन की एंड 1928 सितंबर में एंड 1929 के जनवरी में वो कलकत्ता पहुंची। लेकिन यहाँ पर वो एकदम नई थी, उसे किसी चीज़ का नौसिखिया थी, उसे कुछ नहीं जानकारी था। सो शी चेंज हर नेम टू टेरेसा, और अपना नाम को वो चेंज करके टेरेसा बनाई। और इसके बाद शी फर्स्ट गॉट द जॉब ऑफ टीचर, वो पहले एक टीचर की तरह में नियुक्त हुई सेंट मैरी हाई स्कूल एंटानी में कलकत्ता में, और फिर बाद में वहाँ वो प्रिंसिपल बन गई। वहाँ रहते हुए वहाँ के लोगों की गरीबी को देखी, उनके दुख तकलीफ को देखी, उनको उसको मौका, अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला, मौका मिला कि उनकी प्रॉब्लम को वो देखें, और वो सबसे गरीबों में गरीब को भी देखी जिनको समाज से त्यागा हो, बहुत ही बेसहाय हो, उन्हें वो वहाँ पर देखी, उसे उन्होंने तक कि मदर टेरेसा को ये देखने का मौका मिला। September 10, 1946 was the turning point in Mother Teresa's life. On that day, she was traveling to Darjeeling to attend the prayer. While she was in the train, she had a vision and a call from within. She experienced a vision of Jesus Christ. In the vision, Jesus asked her to devote herself for the cause of poor people. Her inner self heard the divine voice, "I want you to serve me among the poorest of the poor." She was deeply inspired by the incident. She accepted the call and surrendered herself to Jesus. This day is celebrated as the Inspiration Day by the members of Missionaries of Charity. So, with the permission and blessings of the superiors, she left the convent to serve the poorest of the poor. So, what happened in 1946 was the turning point for Mother Teresa. One day what happened, she was travelling from Darjeeling for attending any prayer, and while she was in train, she had a vision, a call from within. She is having vision and call from within, and she experienced the vision of their God, Christian's God, that is Jesus Christ. And in the vision, Jesus asked her to devote herself for the working of the poor people, and her inner self heard the divine voice that you have to serve the poor. She was deeply inspired by the incident, and she accepted the call, surrendered herself to Jesus, and this day is also celebrated, that is 10th September is also celebrated as Inspiration Day. And so she left all the work, she took the blessings and permissions of her seniors, and she left the convent to serve the poorest of the poor. September 10, 1946 में एक बार क्या हुआ कि मदर टेरेसा किसी प्रेयर को अटेंड करने के लिए दार्जिलिंग जा रही थी, और वो जा रही थी तो उसे अचानक से लगा जैसे उसके अंदर आत्मा कुछ उसे कह रही है, उसे भगवान कुछ कह रहे हैं, उसे अपने आप में ऐसा महसूस हुआ, और उसको ऐसा लगा कि उसके सामने जीसस क्राइस्ट उसको दिखाई दे रहे हैं, और वो उसको बोल रहे हैं कि तुम अपने जीवन को गरीबों की सहायता करने में अपने आप को समर्पित कर दो। और उसके अंदर जो ये आवाज़ सुनाई दिया कि आई वॉन्ट यू टू सर्व अमंग द पुअरेस्ट ऑफ द पुअर, उसको लगा कि जीसस क्राइस्ट उसको ऑर्डर दे रहे हैं कि तुम्हें गरीबों से गरीबों की देखभाल करनी है, उनका ध्यान रखना है। ये चीज़ उसके अंदर मन में बैठ गया, उसको अंदर में तक इंस्पिरेशन मिला, और उस दिन को इंस्पिरेशन डे की तरह भी मनाया जाता है। उसके बाद ये बात उसके मन में जच गई, और वो आई, आके अपने सीनियर से परमिशन ली, और उसके बाद वो कॉन्वेंट को छोड़ी, यानी कि अपना जॉब को छोड़ी और अपने काम को करने में, यानी कि गरीबों की मदद करने के लिए अपने आप को छोड़ दी, यानी कि अपने गरीबों की मदद करने